Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite cupcakes, carrot cupcakes with cream cheese icing. You're going to love them. Let's get started. The first thing we'll do is mix our dry ingredients with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll just mix that up. This helps to get any lumps out, and it mixes all the ingredients evenly. Alright, now that's ready. Let's get our wet ingredients ready. So we have 2 eggs. I'm using large eggs. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. 1/4 cup of yogurt, plain yogurt, and half a teaspoon of each vanilla extract and almond extract. If you don't have almond extract, you can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'll give this a little mix. And we'll add our 1½ cups of carrots. These are just grated on a box grater. Mix this up. You can see how easy this is. The most work is grating the carrots. And now we'll just mix our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Don't want to overmix this, just enough to incorporate everything well. There we go, that's ready. And we want these about 1/2 to 3/4 full, because they will rise up in the oven. Alright, now these are ready to go in the oven. They look really good. Now it's time to make the icing. First, I'm going to sift 3 cups of powdered sugar. Here I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. It should be at room temperature. Yeah, it's nice and soft. We're going to need half a stick of butter, or 4 tablespoons. I'm just going to mix these together by hand a little bit to make sure they're soft. You could make this icing by hand, but I will be using my mixer. Alright, now I'm going to add the powdered sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. I have a little water standing by in case I need to add some. I'm going to be careful because this might splash powdered sugar all over. Now that it's incorporated, I'm going to whip it at a little higher speed, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water. It's well mixed, but it's a little stiff. I'm going to add just a little bit more water. The important thing is we want icing that's spreadable and holds its shape, and I think that does the trick. Let me see if I can get that up close for you to see it.
The cupcakes can now be simply iced using a spatula or even a butter knife. I like to dip them in chopped walnuts too. For a bit fancier look, use a pastry bag fitted with a star tip. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great week.